Hello guys, welcome to Technical Sulabh. So in this video we are going to talk about what actually the megapixels in smartphone camera mean. Guys, you may have heard your friends saying my smartphone has 12MP camera, 48MP camera, 50MP camera or even 108MP camera. So what does that actually mean, and does having high megapixel mean a smartphone really has high quality camera? Watch the video until the end and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, let's understand what the pixel is. Pixels are the tiny dots. For easiness, you can think them as the grain of salt. One grain alone is nothing, but millions together make a spoon of salt. Just like that, in any digital world, the photo you see through your mobiles and TVs, they are all comprised of small pixels, and combination of all the pixels together form the image that your eye sees. So after all, what is megapixel? Megapixel means 1 million of such pixels. So if you have 48MP camera, then your camera is capable of capturing image that will have 48 millions of pixels in it. So 12MP camera equals to 12 million pixels. 48MP camera equals to 48 million pixels, and so on. So let's dive into deep. Your camera has a sensor, which is something like shown in the screen, which is the grid full of dots called the pixels. So the number of pixels in the sensor tell what your camera's megapixel is. So does having higher megapixel mean the better image quality or the better camera quality? The answer is no. The quality does not matter only on the number of pixels of your camera's sensor, but also depends on the sensor. Bigger the camera sensor is, the more light and enhanced details there will be. The quality of the image will look quite good even in the low light conditions. So if so, then what the pixel is doing here? So first of all, we need to be clear that each pixel in the sensor captures detail of the specific location, which can be the color or the brightness. All the details of the object are captured by the specific pixels, whose combination together make an image. So if you have higher number of such pixels, the more details of that object can be captured, making the image look more sharper and clearer when zoomed even in higher X. So having higher number of pixels may give better result when zoomed in or cropped. But the size of sensor do also matter, because bigger sensor size means better image quality even in the low light conditions. Fitting unnecessary number of pixels into the sensor just for the name of giving camera as of having higher megapixel count is useless. In that condition, there will be much noise in the image captured, and having lesser but bigger pixel instead of inserting unnecessary number of smaller pixels is far better, as it captures image with more light and detail. That's why you may have seen the DSLR cameras even in 24MP gives better image quality. That's because the size of the sensor is bigger, and bigger sensor even with the lower pixels gives the better capture of the image detail with good light and color.